iRobot designs and manufactures highly complex products for the consumer product goods and high-tech industries. To deliver highly complex products that must pass regulatory compliance at a global scale, iRobot uses PTC's Windchill PLM to implement a digital thread that integrates business processes, enterprise applications, and data in real time to increase quality, decision-making, and collaboration with suppliers to accelerate the product go-to-market at a global scale. Let's look at how iRobot takes advantage of an integrated digital thread in this demonstration. Let's review the bill of materials for the Roomba i3 robotic vacuum, codenamed Daredevil. The product bill of materials is comprised of mechanical, electrical, and software components. Searching for the mobility components within the BOM. We can see a highlighted software component and related source code being managed in Windchill that will need to be installed on the board. Drilling into the details for the board, I can show the related CAD data that drove the creation of this bill of materials, such as the 3D CAD model, the schematic design, and the board layout from the integration with Altium. iRobot leverages the integration between Altium and Windchill to implement a connected digital thread to continuously update the BOM of mechanical, electrical schematics, and software components to accelerate multidisciplinary engineering and collaboration. To ensure its products meets local requirements, iRobot has implemented an integration with Compliance Map to track environmental compliance verdicts driven by related manufacturer parts, tracked in Windchill with designated sourcing status in a connected digital thread. The regulatory verdicts from Compliance Map are passed back into Windchill for each component in this bill of materials and can be used to help find reusable compliant components. These compliance verdicts are also driven by the related manufacturer parts that iRobot tracks in Windchill, along with a designated sourcing status. iRobot part numbers can have multiple AMLs to find to help provide their contract manufacturers flexibility when sourcing components and replacing components when some of the choices may not be available. iRobot cannot afford to miss seasonal windows due to sourcing issues and has integrated Windchill with Silicon Expert to identify component risks ahead of time with a connected digital thread. Based on risk factors that include lifecycle, sourcing, compliance, and inventory, Silicon Expert provides a risk grade for the BOM to react and act in real time to avoid delays leading to delivery of components sourced through approved manufacturer lists. To accelerate new product introduction, iRobot engineers can use Windchill to quickly find reusable parts that meet quality standards and comply with global regulations. An engineer can search for a part to reuse in a new design by navigating the classification structure to the specific type of part they are looking for using faceted search. By filtering the results based on attributes, it's possible to quickly find reusable parts in Windchill. Now, let's explore how iRobot has extended and configured Windchill to support managing materials. It's possible to review the detailed classification attribute information for a material and view a report to display which components are made from this resin, as well as what other material classes can be used in the event iRobot cannot source this material. In addition, the Manufacturing Parts Datasheet tab provides access to the technical datasheet for this material. You can also see who the approved supplier is as well. iRobot uses Windchill to track assets that are being used at their contract manufacturers. iRobot has extended Windchill to track assets such as tools, injection molding equipment, and test stations. Reviewing the details for this battery charging rack test station, iRobot tracks the contract manufacturers that use this test station, what products they are used to test, and any certifications that have been made for the test station. In summary, By implementing an integrated digital thread with Windchill PLM, iRobot engineers can accelerate their design and development processes. Multidisciplinary engineering and collaboration to compress time to market and deliver products that are safer, durable with higher quality, and comply with local regulations and requirements.